Teacher Aya Online Tutor. Hello children! Are you ready to read another set of sentences? Let's start. I love my mother and father. Again, I love my mother and father. Your turn to read, children. My sister is helping me with my homework. Again, my sister is helping me with my homework. Your turn to read, children. There are flowers in the garden. Again, there are flowers in the garden. Your turn to read, children. Peter and his father are playing basketball. Again, Peter and his father are playing basketball. Your turn to read, children. The monkey likes to eat banana. Again, the monkey likes to eat banana. Your turn to read, children. My sister is reading her favorite book. Again, my sister is reading her favorite book. Your turn to read, children. My favorite food is spaghetti. Again, my favorite food is spaghetti. Your turn to read, children. My mother is cooking my favorite dish. Again, my mother is cooking my favorite dish. Your turn to read, children. Strawberry is my favorite fruit. Again, strawberry is my favorite fruit. Your turn to read, children. I eat nutritious food every day. Again, I eat nutritious food every day. Your turn to read, children. Great job, children! Now, let's try to read the sentences together. But this time, let's try to read faster. Are you ready, children? I love my mother and father. My sister is helping me with my homework. There are flowers in the garden. Peter and his father are playing basketball. The monkey likes to eat banana. My sister is reading her favorite book. My favorite food is spaghetti. My mother is cooking my favorite dish. Strawberry is my favorite fruit. I eat nutritious food every day. Great job, children! Remember to always practice reading so you could be a good and a fast reader. And also, please make sure that you have clicked the subscribe button for you to be updated in every new lessons. You can also share this video to your friends and classmates. Thank you for listening, children. See you on our next lesson.